To draw Mummy Shark, doot 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 doot, draw a nice big curve like that. And then we want to draw another one underneath it, which almost joins at the end. And then here we can draw the top tail and the bottom tail. And then sharks have a funny little thing like that. And then we can draw into there and down to there. And now come to the point of her nose, and we're going to draw a nice curve like that, which is kind of her tummy. And we'll draw a smile. And then I think we need two big eyes like that. And then she's going to need her pupils, that's the little black bits in the middle. And then we'll draw a little curve like that and shade the rest in. So we're leaving a little white blob in the middle of her eyes. And I think she has lovely, lovely, luscious eyelashes. Like that. Mummy Shark eyelashes. Doot, 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 doot. And then she's going to have a little kind of a side smile like that. And I'm going to give her a couple of little teeth. Nothing too sharp. You don't want Mummy Shark to have too sharp teeth, do you? And a little lip like that. And then we want to come sideways and curve down. And that's one of the little side flippers, aren't they? Flippers or fins like that. And then we really just need this one big one on the top like that. And just to finish her off, to make sure that she's a shark, we put in her gills like that. Then all you need to do is colour her in, and that's how you draw Mummy Shark. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy so you can come back and draw lots more stuff. Bye!